Hello YouTubers, all you lovely subscribers. At last, Ginny Weasley is done. Thank you so much for your patience. This will be ready tomorrow. So do enjoy this when it goes live and share it. I know it's been a long time. I've been working on lots of stuff at home and behind the scenes, and I think now I'm back in a place where I can basically crack on and get a lot more done. Certainly hope so, and it's been a joy to actually get this finished and get this online for you. So anyway, do enjoy, get ready for tomorrow because Ginny will be live. And again, like I said, I've got to get all the processing done, but this is going to be available to you guys tomorrow to share along with all the other Harry Potter stuff. And again, there's loads. Like I say, we have Hagrid, and who else is lurking underneath here? Oh, there's Luna. So yeah, and there goes the pencil drawings and good old Harry himself. Anyway, it's been fantastic to actually get Ginny done at last. I know a lot of you have asked for her. And Audrey, enjoy. Again, many of you have asked for Ginny. It's been amazing to do this. I love sharing these videos. Please do share them out because I'd love to do so many more for you guys, and I am going to be doing so many more, but to just do this would be absolutely wonderful. Anyway, thank you very much. Enjoy the drawing tomorrow. Take care. Please do like and subscribe, and see you in the next drawing lesson, especially Ginny. Ta-da.